Hey guys, welcome to the Acne Clear Chef. My name is Thomas Grabowski, and today we're going to be making a mango morning sunrise smoothie. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need some coconut water, coconut milk, some frozen mangoes, some frozen pineapples, organic plant-based protein powder, hemp hearts, and spinach. So to start this recipe, add some coconut milk and coconut water into a blender. As an alternative, you can also add some turmeric to add a little bit of spice to your drink. I added about half a teaspoon. Next, I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of protein powder into my smoothie as well. Add some spinach. Some hemp hearts, and blend. Pour into a cup and enjoy.